I have a book to share with you today, and it's illustrated by one of our favorites, Eric Carle. But another person wrote the story, and that person's name is Richard Buckley. The name of this book is The Greedy Python. I want you to think for a minute. What do you think a python is? Maybe you know, but maybe you don't know. Here's the first page. Take a look. See if you can figure it out. A python. Half hidden in the jungle green, the biggest snake that there has been, looped back and forth and in between. The giant snake was very strong and very, very, very long. He had a big, huge appetite. His belly stretched from left to right. He quickly gobbled in one bite all animals that came in sight. A mouse that hurried to and fro, a frog that jumped up from below, a bat that hung from his left toe, a fish that swam a bit too slow, a bird that flew a bit too low, a porcupine still half asleep, a monkey who was in mid-leap, a leopard sitting in a tree, a buffalo who came by to see, an elephant complete with trunk. It was swallowed in a single chunk. "I'm too big for you," he cried. "No, you're not," the snake replied. At last, the python's meal was complete. It was done, and he lay resting in the sun. The animals inside of him began to jump and fly and swim. And when they all began to kick, the snake began to feel a little sick. He coughed the whole lot up again, each one of them, and there were 10. He soon felt better. What is more, he was hungrier than before. He had not learned a single thing. His greed was quite astonishing. He saw his own tail long and curved and thought that lunch was being served. He closed his jaws on his own rear, then swallowed hard and disappeared. Now that's a silly story. I hope you liked it, and I hope to see you again here. Take care of you. Keep on learning and growing and being, and I'll see you another time. Bye-bye.